Viral vaccines. We can see that what are the viral vaccines? What is the vaccine? How they act? What is the mechanism of action of the vaccines? How they will act inside the body or the immune system? Whether they are helping the immune system or whether they are supporting the immune system or whether they are just hindering the immune system. A vaccine is the biological preparation that provides the active acquired immunity to a particular disease. This is the most important definition of the vaccine, which is the biological preparation. Does not come. This is not a chemical preparation, but is the biological preparation, which is antigen itself. The disease which is caused by some specific antigen. Similarly, the vaccine is produced from that specific antigen which is already causing the disease. Even if the whole organism is not present, still the vaccine should have at least one part. Maybe we can take the proteinic part of that vaccine, or maybe we can use one epitope of that antigen, but it is biological preparation, so there should be one part, or there should be the whole organism, whole antigen, which is the causative agents of some specific disease, should be there. The vaccine is the injection of killed or weakened organism that produces immunity in the body against the specific organism. Of course, if in vaccines can be the live vaccine, or vaccine can be the dead vaccine, or attenuated, weakened attenuated vaccines can be there. And the vaccine should be capable enough to produce special immunity, so that if the natural infection comes, then they should have the immunity should be inside the body. Immunization is the process by which the person or the become protected from a disease. So this is different from the vaccination and the immunization. The vaccine and immunization. Vaccine is the injection of the vaccine that produces the immunity, and immunization is the process by which a person becomes protected from that specific disease. History of the vaccines or vaccination. It was the Edward Jenner prevented, who was the first person who invented the smallpox by the vaccination with the cowpox. He see that there are some people who don't have the smallpox, the people who are working with the animals, the people who are working with the cows. Then he came into conclusion that because these people has the interaction with the cows, and cows have some special kind of the spicules on them, so therefore maybe because of that, that is similar to the smallpox, so therefore maybe they don't have having the. So in this way he produced the powder from the cowpox, and then that powder was used for the human beings to protect them against the smallpox, and in this way he successfully produced the first vaccine in 1796. Then 1885, Louis Pasteur prevented rabies in the Joseph mixture by the post-exposure to the vaccination. So why the vaccines? Why we must use the vaccine? Whether the vaccines are safe? Of course, the vaccines are very safe. Of course, it depends upon the individual's immune response and the wild type of the strains. Maybe, of course, it needed the more exposure to the antigen as compared to the other kind of the strain. However, until now we have used the vaccines and we have been successfully eradicated a large number of diseases from the world with the help of the vaccines, and polio is one of them, which is going to be eradicated soon. Only a few countries in the world has been left, and this vaccine, because of the help from these vaccines, we were able to eradicate those diseases which once have the biggest danger for the humankind. Vaccines are very effective. Of course, these days we are using the vaccines and they are very effective. Of course, they're dependent on the dose. Maybe the dose is not enough and you have to use again the boosters doses, but still they are the effective vaccines. Vaccines are supporting for the immune system. This is very important. Vaccines are not working by themselves. Vaccines are working along with the immune system. Even now we are in the era of the molecular biology. We are using the vaccines and we are using the adjuvants which are already present inside the body and which are working along with the immune system. Just like we are using the T cells adjuvants, we are using the interferons, we are using the interleukins in the coccidiosis, in the poultry vaccines, we are using the DNA vaccines, we are producing the DNA vaccines, and we are using those immune system parts as an adjuvant of our vaccines. Vaccines not only provide the immunity to only the individuals, but vaccines can provide the immunity to whole the community present, and then in this way they are very useful.